Welcome to VDM Metals. We develop the materials for the future. The service spectrum comprises a broad range of VDM products. Our scope of supply includes sheets, rods, welding consumables, heating elements wires, strips as well as billets or forging stock pre-material. Various machining and processing options are available at each location. These include state-of-the-art separating and cutting systems, such as laser or water jet cutting plants, as well as bandsaws, allowing us to manufacture customized parts and cuts precisely according to DXF or DWG files. It is also possible to prefabricate in line with customer requirements or warehouse and ship in partial volumes. Our experienced sales team is available to help at any time right up to delivery.